Hi again, Kurt Anderson from E-commerce management with my partner in crime. Once again, Jeffrey Graham. Jeffrey, this session, super excited. Number two, now that we've found out and discovered our ideal buyer, our soulmate, who's actually landing on our website, we
Yep.
want to speak the right language to that right buyer, our soulmate. How do you help folks, or talk about the work session here on how we're going to help these manufacturers figure out their e-commerce strategy, speaking to the right buyer?
You know, making a great first web impression is going to be everything when it comes to the internet. And when people first see your website or they first interact with your company, that first impression is how they're setting the tone to how they feel about your brand, product, or service. In this, we're really going to define how you can put your best foot forward so that you gather essentially and retain the largest amount of your audience possible and hook them, get them interested in your business. So making that first impression is so important. Everyone knows a great first impression. You know, our moms used to say that on Sunday church. Make sure that you're dressed to the nine. You got to make a good web impression, and now that we know who our buyer is, now it's all about making that first impression and that first introduction.
Absolutely. And what we also want to do is we dig deep into this. We want to make it all about them, our
Yeah.
buyers, our soulmates. So guys, what we do is we dig deep in e-commerce strategies. Maybe you're a custom manufacturer and you're like, hey, I don't have a proprietary product. We're going to help you with, like, how do we capture those RFQs? We want to create that engagement as quickly as possible to help you move the needle. So again, 90-minute training, it's hands-on. We're going to take a deep dive into your business, your website, and how to make that great first web impression. Now, once we complete this process, man, boy, the next week is awesome. We're going to help you stop being the best kept secret. We're going to take a deep dive into dominate search. So click on the video below and we'll talk about our next session. Jeffrey, thanks so much, my friend.
No problem. See you soon.